Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info, and don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe some medication and driving don't mix. If you are taking a medication, is it safe to drive? US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) advise you to make sure before operating any type of vehicle, whether a car, bus, train, plane or boat. Although most medication wouldn't affect your ability to drive, some prescription and non-prescription medications, also called over-the-counter or OTC, can have side effects and cause reactions that may make it unsafe to drive. Some side effects include sleepiness, drowsiness, blurred vision, dizziness, slow movement, fainting, inability to focus or pay attention, nausea, excitability. Some medication can affect your drive for a short time after you take them. For others, the effects can last for several hours and even the next day. And some medications have warning to not operate heavy machinery. Medicine that might affect driving. Some drugs that could make it dangerous to drive include opioid pain reliever, prescription drug for anxiety, for example benzodiazepine, anti-seizure drugs, anti-epileptic drugs, antipsychotic drugs, some antidepressants, product containing codeine. Some cold remedies and allergic products such as antihistamine, both prescription and OTC, sleeping pills, muscle relaxant, medicine that treat or control symptoms of diarrhea, medicine that treat or prevent symptoms of motion sickness, diet pills, stay awake drugs, and other medication with stimulant, for example codeine, ephedrine, pseudoephedrine. How to avoid driving impaired? You can still drive safely while taking most medication. Talk to your healthcare provider about possible side effects. Doctors and pharmacists can tell you about known side effects of medication, including those that interfere with driving. To manage or minimize side effects while driving, your healthcare provider may be able to adjust your dose, adjust the timing of when you take the medicine, or change the medicine to one that causes fewer side effects for you. Here are more tips. Always follow direction for use and read warnings on prescription packaging or handouts provided by pharmacy. Don't stop your medicine unless your prescriber tell you to. Tell your healthcare provider about all products you are taking, including prescription, OTC, and herbal products. Also, let them know about your reaction you experience. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.